me just finish dyeing for a second here. Alright, welcome. We're gonna put this Char-Griller flat iron 36-inch premium griddle together, and then we're gonna season it. You're watching Cass Cooking. Look how pretty she looks all set up, put together. Flat iron, Char-Griller premium gas griddle. It's got a cover, fold down shelves, 4 burners, cabinet, that's where the propane is over there. So we're gonna season this now. First thing you wanna do, first thing that I'm gonna do, is kind of dry wipe it. So now we're gonna hit it with a little bit of hot water and some dish soap. Believe me when I say this, it's gonna be the first and last time this sees dish soap. You don't ever want to use dish soap to clean this. You don't want to douse soap on it and then put water on it. Just mix your soap with water, dab with a paper towel. Alright, so now our next step is turning on these burners on high, all 4 of them. Letting it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until your griddle darkens in color, at which point we're going to add the oil. Alright, now our next step, since the griddle's nice and dark from being on high for 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to add some oil. Now you just want to take a nice big wad of paper towel and spread this oil around. Get all the surfaces. Get the edges, get the walls. You want to coat all surfaces of the griddle. Nice thin coat. Be very careful not to burn your hands with the hot oil on the paper towel. Keep your burners on high during this process. Now basically you just want the oil to soak into the steel, and basically when it's burned off, apply another coat of oil. Repeat that process 2 or 3 times and you should be ready to cook on it. And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. Get it nice and hot, wait for it to darken, throw your oil on, spread it all around, nice thin layer, wait for it to burn off, do that 2 or 3 times. Your griddle's seasoned and ready to cook. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time.